Is your dryer not drying clothes in one cycle? Are you having to run the dryer multiple times? Is your laundry room hot? Is there an odor coming from your laundry room? These are all signs that your dryer vent system needs to be cleaned. If your dryer can't breathe, it cannot be efficient, thus costing you money on your electric bill. This is James Thomas of Patriot Dryer Vent Cleaning, and I will help. I clean the entire dryer vent path starting from the exterior of your home all the way to the dryer itself. I do this process from the roof or from the side of the home, wherever the dryer vent termination point is. And I do all this for one flat fee. In most cases, just $85. There's no hidden charges, no hidden fees, no surprises. You'll know exactly what you're paying for. It's just that simple. So schedule your appointment online today at www.cleanmydryervent.org. That's cleanmydryervent.org. Veteran owned, veteran proud, and veteran standards.